Greek and simple strawberry season. Strawberry season, family traditions, and grandma's jam recipe. We're going to watch in today's video. A quick note before we jump into this delicious video, please subscribe to my channel and help me create more videos like this for you. Strawberries are one of the first fruits to ripen in the spring, and their harvest season is short, lasting only about 3 weeks. That means if you want to enjoy the freshest berries, you've got to pick them early and quickly. On average, Americans eat about 8 pounds of fresh strawberries per year. That's lots of berries, and for good reason. They are delicious, versatile, and celebrated with their own holiday. National Pig Strawberry Day, held on May 20th, encourages people to visit local farms or even grow their own plants at home. Strawberries are grown across the US, but California leads the way in the commercial production. The state's climate and fertile fields make for a perfect growing environment and incredibly productive harvests. For our family, strawberry picking is a spring tradition. Every year we visit a local farm here in New Jersey to pick fresh strawberries together. It's always a joyful day, and honestly, nothing beats the taste of strawberries straight from the field.
Yes! Good job, baby, good job.
They are the sweetest, juiciest berries you will ever eat. We usually come home with around 3 pounds of strawberries, some for snacking fresh, and the rest for jam, cakes, and even homemade ice cream. Today I'm sharing a very special recipe, my grandma's strawberry jam. It's simple, doesn't use pectin, and yields a soft, spreadable, perfectly sweet jam that tastes like spring in a jar. First, I wash the strawberries thoroughly. I sterilize the jars. I cut in half the big strawberries and transfer them in a wide bowl and crush them in batches. In a heavy bottom saucepan, I combine mashed strawberries, sugar, and lemon juice. I stir over low heat until the sugar dissolves. I increase the heat to high and bring the mixture to a full rolling boil, stirring often until the jam reaches 220 Fahrenheit or 105 Celsius. I transfer the jam into hot, sterilized jars, filling two within 1/4 inch from the top. Seal tightly with lids. It smells amazing, looks beautiful, and tastes even better. You have to try it. That's it. You can find all the details on this recipe at greekandsimple.com. I'm going to enjoy my jam today with a little soft butter and some crispy crackers. Did you know that one large sweet strawberry has about 10.5 milligrams of vitamin C, while an entire orange contains about 70 milligrams? If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and help my channel to grow. That way, I'll keep making better videos for you. And stay tuned, next week I'll be sharing how to make the tastiest, healthiest Greek yogurt strawberry popsicle dipped in a semi-sweet chocolate. You won't want to miss it! Looks good, right?